Do you ever notice how some people slowly build wealth year after year, while others keep working hard but never seem to get ahead financially? The difference is rarely talent, luck, or income level. In most cases, it comes down to habits. The way you handle money each day shapes your future more than any single big decision. In this video, we will talk about 5 simple ways to build wealth over time. These are not complicated strategies that require expert knowledge or a big salary. They are practical habits you can start today. When you follow them consistently, they create long-term financial stability and open the door to real financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Pay yourself first. The first way to build wealth is paying yourself first. This means you save before you spend, not after. Most people try to save whatever is left at the end of the month, but there is usually nothing left. People who build wealth flip this approach. They decide in advance that part of their income belongs to their future. When savings happen automatically, you remove stress from the process. You no longer debate whether to save or not. You simply build your life around what remains after saving. Over time, this turns saving into a habit that feels natural instead of forced. This habit also protects you from lifestyle inflation. When income rises, many people upgrade their lifestyle right away. Wealth builders upgrade their savings first. Even a small raise can create big results if part of it goes straight into savings or investments. Paying yourself first also gives you peace of mind. Knowing that your future is being funded every month changes how you feel about money. You stop living only for today and start building confidence in tomorrow. Another important benefit is consistency. Wealth is not built through one big deposit. It is built through many small deposits over time. When you save first, you create a system that works even on busy or stressful months. This habit also helps you avoid impulse spending because you know your priorities are already taken care of. Over the years, this simple rule quietly turns average income into long-term security. 2. Create and follow a simple budget. The second way to build wealth is using a simple budget. A budget is not about restriction. It is about direction. Without a plan, money slips away in small, quiet ways that are easy to ignore but hard to recover later. People who build wealth know where their money goes. They understand their income, their fixed expenses, and their flexible spending. This clarity removes confusion and replaces it with control. When you know your numbers, you make better decisions without stress. A good budget also helps you spend on what truly matters to you. Instead of wasting money on habits you barely remember, you start using money to support your real goals, like travel, learning, or long-term security. Over time, budgeting trains your mind to think ahead. You stop reacting to expenses and start preparing for them. This reduces financial surprises and builds stability that grows stronger each year. Another advantage of budgeting is awareness. When you see your spending patterns, you begin to notice habits that no longer serve you. Small daily costs often have the biggest impact over time. A budget helps you fix problems before they become serious. It also gives you confidence when making financial decisions because you are no longer guessing. You are choosing with purpose. 3. Build a strong emergency fund. The third way to build wealth is protecting what you already have. This starts with a strong emergency fund. No wealth plan works if one unexpected expense can knock you off track. Most people fall into debt not because they are careless, but because they are unprepared. A job loss, medical bill, or urgent repair can turn into years of struggle when there is no safety net. An emergency fund gives you space to breathe. Instead of panicking, you stay calm. Instead of rushing into debt, you make smart choices. That calm becomes one of your greatest financial strengths. This fund also protects your long-term goals. Without savings, people pull money from investments or rely on high-interest loans when trouble hits. With savings, you stay focused even during hard times. That consistency is what separates progress from setbacks. An emergency fund also gives you confidence in everyday life. You stop worrying about every unexpected sound your car makes or every small health issue. This peace of mind allows you to focus on growth instead of survival. It also helps you make career decisions from a place of strength, not fear. Over time, this financial cushion becomes a foundation of every smart money move you make. To make this more practical, aim to save at least $1,000 as your first safety target. Then work toward building 3 to 6 months of living expenses, which for many people means $6,000 to $18,000 depending on lifestyle. Even saving $25 or $50 a week adds up to over $1,300 to $2,600 in a year. That small habit today can prevent thousands of dollars in debt tomorrow. 4. Reduce high-interest debt. The fourth way to build wealth is cutting down high-interest debt. Debt with high interest works against you every day. It takes money from your future to pay for your past. Many credit cards charge between 18% and 30% in interest each year. That means a $5,000 balance can cost you $900 to $1,500 in interest alone every single year. This is money that could have gone into savings, investments, or your emergency fund instead. High interest debt does not just slow your progress. It actively pushes you backward. People who build wealth understand that freedom grows when obligations shrink. The less you owe, the more choices you have. Debt limits your options. Freedom expands them. When you reduce your balances, you also reduce the stress that comes with constant payments and growing interest. Reducing debt improves more than your finances. It lowers stress, improves focus, and builds confidence. Studies show that people with lower debt report up to 40% less financial anxiety. When debt fades, people feel lighter and more motivated to invest in their future instead of just keeping up with bills. Each balance you clear gives you momentum. You start to see progress, and progress fuels action. Even paying an extra $100 a month toward a high-interest card can cut years off your repayment time and save thousands in interest. That small step today creates a powerful shift tomorrow. Another key benefit of reducing debt is control over your time. When you owe less, you are not forced to work extra hours just to keep up with payments. You gain freedom to plan, save, and invest. This shift changes your mindset from survival to growth. Over time, clearing high-interest debt becomes one of the fastest ways to improve both your finances and your quality of life. 5. Invest for the long term. The fifth way to build wealth is investing for the long term. Saving protects money, but investing grows it. Real wealth comes when your money starts working alongside you. Long-term investors focus on patience, not speed. They do not chase trends or panic during market drops. They stay committed to steady growth and trust time to do its job. Even small investments can become life-changing when they are consistent. What feels small today can turn into something powerful tomorrow if you stay disciplined. There are many simple investment options that work well for long-term growth. Stock market index funds are one of the easiest ways to start because they spread your money across many companies instead of relying on just one. Retirement accounts like 401k, S or IRAs help you grow money with tax advantages over time. Real estate, even through small property investments or real estate funds, can create steady income and long-term value. Bonds add stability and balance to your portfolio, especially as you grow older. For beginners, automated investing apps and robo-advisors make it easy to start without feeling overwhelmed. Another important part of investing is understanding risk. Not every investment grows at the same speed, and that is okay. A mix of safer and growth-focused options helps protect you during market changes. The goal is not quick profit. The goal is steady progress. When you invest with patience in a long-term plan, you give yourself the best chance to build lasting wealth. Building wealth is not about sudden success. It is about steady improvement. Paying yourself first, budgeting wisely, building protection, reducing high-interest debt, and investing for the long term may sound simple, but these habits create powerful results over time. The secret is consistency. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start with one habit today and build from there. Small actions repeated daily create strong financial futures. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it so more people can learn these wealth-building habits. Share it with someone who wants to improve their financial future. And subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical content about money and long-term success. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.